Guys, it's Chris. Lego Gaming 3.0 asked me to do a how to post Google Images on a video. Well, Lego Gaming 3.0, if you're watching this, then it's basically pretty easy. Well, duh, obviously. If you have DU recorder or any other screen recorder, they could do this easily. So all I have to do is have a screen recorder app, go to images on Chrome, and search up subscribe button. And all you have to do is just select the one that you want. If only can it load. Oh, okay. And then all you have to do is just, if you're using a phone or tablet, all I do is just hold the screen. It's just hold the image and go to download image, and that's how I get the video to be, and that's how I get the subscribe button to be on video. And, yeah, that's all. If you want any others, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like on this video. I appreciate it. So if you want to suggest on what you want me to do, personally, then make sure to subscribe first, because if you suggest me what you want me to do, and if you didn't subscribe, then I will pretty much not listen to you, and that's going to be a problem for you. So make sure to subscribe first before suggesting me an idea. See ya, that's all. Peace.